Hello, my dear student. Welcome once again with another topic of the adventures of John Quixote. And student, since the last few days, we have been discussing the textual grammar, that is, adjectives. From where we learned that adjectives are the words which define, modify, or tell us more about a noun or a pronoun. And we also get to know the 6 types of adjectives, which are qualitative, quantitative, number, demonstrative, interrogative, and possessive. And out of these 6 types of adjectives, we have already discussed the first 4 types of adjectives, which are qualitative, quantitative, number, and possessive. And that's why, student, today we are going to make a detailed discussion on the next and the last 2 types of adjectives. Now let us start with it. Here I have included 2 examples. Number A is, this table is mine. And number B is, that book is very interesting. So student, in the first example, this book is mine. Here the word this. And in the second example, that book is very interesting. Here the word that. They are modifies the words table and book. The word this is modifying table and the word that is modifying book. That's why they are the adjectives of demonstrative, because they are used to modify or point out a particular noun or pronoun in a sentence. In the first example, the word this is pointing out the noun table. Again, in the second example, the word that is pointing out the noun book. That's why they are called demonstrative adjectives. So student, let me tell you the definition of demonstrative adjectives, which are the adjectives which are used to point out or indicate a particular noun and pronoun are the demonstrative adjectives. And this definition can clearly be seen in these 2 examples, where the words or the adjectives are denoting particular nouns. And some common demonstrative adjectives are this, that, those, and these. Now student, sometimes you may see that if the words are not, means the words, say for example these, that, those, and these, they are not followed by nouns or pronouns, then they are not adjectives but they are demonstrative pronouns. Say for example, here you can see number A, this is a phone. So the word this, it is not followed by any noun or pronoun. Again, in number B, that, it is not followed by any noun or pronoun. That's why they are not demonstrative adjectives, but instead they are demonstrative pronouns, as they are not followed by nouns or pronouns. So student, it is very simple. if these words, these, that, these and those, they are followed by nouns or pronoun, then it will be demonstrative adjectives. But if they are not following any noun or pronoun, then they are demonstrative pronouns, not adjectives. Now let me proceed to the next and the last adjectives. And student, here let me give you the examples. Number 1 is, whose bucket is this? And number B is, which book are you reading? Here you can see the question words. In the first example it is whose, and in the second one it is which. They are modifies the noun. In the first example, the interrogative word whose, it is modifying the noun bucket. And in the second example, the interrogative word which is modifying the noun book. So they are our interrogative adjectives. It means that interrogative adjectives are the question words such as whose, which, what, etc., denoting a noun or a pronoun. It means that student, whenever the interrogative words are denoting a noun and pronoun, then it will be your interrogative adjectives. But there is an exception once again. It is that when the question words are not followed by noun or pronoun, they are called interrogative pronouns and not interrogative adjectives. Means student, if the interrogative words are not followed immediately by any noun or pronoun, then it cannot be an interrogative adjective. Say for example, whose is this bucket? And number B, what are you reading? In both the example, the question words whose and in the second example what, they are not followed by any noun or pronoun. That's why they are not interrogative adjectives, but instead they are only interrogative pronouns. So student, I hope that you have well understood interrogative and demonstrative adjectives. And student, with it we have finished our class on adjectives. Now student, here I have included a home assignment for all of you. Please note it down in your classwork copy and try to do it by yourself, and I'll give the answer of these questions after a few classes. And student, this is the end of our today's class. In the next class we will discuss a new kind of grammar. Thank you so much.